Hi everybody, Janelle Torkington of AppZoom here today with an app for Android called Battery Doctor from Cheetah Mobile. This is a battery optimization app that is good for squeezing every last drop of juice out of your battery. Almost everyone has this problem, so it's worth taking a look at. Like most battery apps, you see here the main display on the home screen that's got a big ole number that tells you how much battery you have left. I've got excellent consumption so far, and it tells me how many hours are remaining. I've got 11 hours stacked up, pretty good, even at 54%. And it tells you your core temperature. Mine's running a little hot because I'm currently taking a video. And your voltage, your capacity, pretty cool. Okay. And if I scroll down, I can see what kind of signals my device is currently looking for, which drains the battery. I do have Wi-Fi turned on, Bluetooth is turned off. What your brightness is, and what your lock screen timeout is. Whether you have sound turned on or not. All of these things affect your battery life, and you can optimize them through the app in order to make your battery last longer. You've got a battery history here. You can see in the morning I set it to charge, and now I'm draining it as I'm using it and taking the video. Down here you have power usage details, which translates that percentage into actual useful numbers about how long you could potentially use your device doing various things. It's pretty similar for being on the Wi-Fi or watching movies. Let's see if I can get some more details out of it. I think that's up here. Yeah, okay, so here's some more data, some more numbers about my power, my voltage. I wish it did a little bit better job explaining like what these actually mean. I'm not techie enough to be able to know on my own. I wish the app told me. But here, if I choose the available tab, it'll show me how much time I would potentially have to do each of these activities. Like for just listening to music, almost 7 hours worth. But if I'm watching movies, only 3 hours and 30 minutes. Makes sense, it's a bigger drain on your device. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the home screen here. Like most battery apps, there's a giant button that it's really enticing to tap called Optimize. So let's see what happens if we tap it. Oh, it thinks I'm already optimized because I did it earlier, and it's showing me a video ad. Well, what Optimize does is turns off apps that are running in the background, and then it shows me a ton of ads, which if anything is going to kill my battery, it's that. It's going to show me another ad here down in the bottom. I don't like that too much, but battery charging tips and charge history, you can get really lost within these apps. I don't like that about the way that they're designed. Like they include a lot of useful information, but then they just throw a whole bunch of stuff at you like this. I mean, like this is not very navigable to me. It's just too much. I don't need my battery optimization app to be like a Facebook feed. Like I let the world see your mood. That's not even related to batteries. Let's go back to the front page here. So if I check out the three dots menu up here in the top right, I can see I can clean up junk, message center. I think the clean up junk probably installs a different app. There's settings. I can give a review to the app. And then if I go up here to the top left, picks. Okay, these are picking the best apps. Well, again, like most battery apps, oh, now I'm draining fast. Like most battery apps, it throws a whole bunch of other stuff with you along with this optimization and all this information. So pick and choose how you use them. I mean, maybe you're looking for random apps when you want to be concerned with your battery, but I'm personally not. Let's see what these power issues are. Okay, so this is what happens when you optimize. You can choose, you can see which apps are consuming power currently, and choose to shut them off. Using the super optimize allows you to shut them off and prevent them from turning back on. You have to give Battery Doctor permission in order to be able to do that. You can also pick and choose which ones you want to turn off or not. Like if I don't want to turn this off, you can add it to the ignore list and it won't be turned off. Like for example, I grabbed the video with ELOS, so I'll add that to the ignore list. And then I can choose optimize now, and it'll give me these cool little icons where it's shutting all these things that are running in the background off. Like, again, be careful about doing this. It may make your device not perform like you're used to. I'm always a bit nervous about it, but if you're running way slower than normal, if your battery is draining itself faster than usual, it's worth a shot, and see if you can get more time out of your device. And here I get the news feed again. I'm not too crazy about this, but it does work well, this Battery Doctor app. And if you're having battery issues, it's worth giving a go. It's totally free. You just got to put up with the ads. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do a lot more of these app reviews, as well as how-to videos and let's play with games, both for Android and iOS.